At Marriott, we like to think of ourselves as the world's leading hospitality company. We span 19 brands in over 40 countries, 200,000 plus associates that drive a guest experience every day. We have been hyper-focused over the last several years, not only on evolving the guest experience, but also in integrating technology in all that we do, and that's clearly evident with what we're doing in the cloud. I think the story with IBM and the vCloud Air Network and Cloud Foundation started back at the beginning of this year. When we started discussing using VMware products in the public space and really leveraging foundations, we said, hey, so that means that the experience we have on-prem should ideally match the same experience we're looking for in the public space. And that's what IBM committed to. We started to extend our APIs, our templates, our automation into software, and that produced the end result we were looking for. It's not so much moving workloads or reinventing our portfolio in a different place. Marriott.com is a perfect example. It's done very well for us, but as more of our revenue comes through digital, we realized that we needed to build a better widget. And that's what we did, and we chose to do that in the public space. There's two things you think about in terms of cloud, and that's security. You immediately have to pivot to security, and what does that mean? What limitations or restrictions it's going to have on you? What NSX does for us, what Cloud Foundation is going to do for us, is going to allow us portability. It's going to give us the option in which we can flex the consumption of those resources in the public space without compromising risk, compliance, or security. That's first and foremost. It removes the barrier, or at least the excuse, of why we can't use public services. Second thing, it provides a competitive advantage for us. We talk about vendor lock-in, and the reality is that we look at the cloud, especially the public cloud, as being a commodity set of services. We want to be able to leverage the right partner with the right tool at the right time for the right price. Relationships matter. Experience matters. I'm unabashedly admitting that once I find a partner and they deliver over time, I keep going back to that partner over and over and over again. There's always a million folks you can find and go do something, but when you establish a relationship with someone and that relationship matures over time, those are the people that earn my trust and earn my business. And until I have a reason to do something else, the folks I'm doing business with today are the same folks that I was doing business with 5 years ago, 10 years ago, 15 years ago, because they deliver.